Election season is in full swing, and that means you've got some decisions to make. Lots of decisions. I'm David Stark, Public Affairs Director for the Bay East Association of Realtors, and in this week's Buzz, I'll share a Bay East member benefit that helps you when you're voting. Bay East is actively involved in local politics because, let's face it, politicians are actively involved in your business. This year alone, several communities have passed new rental housing policies that directly impact private property rights. And both Hayward and Union City want to increase their real estate transfer tax rates. That'll make homeownership even more expensive. Now, throughout the year, we track these kinds of issues. We meet with elected officials, and we testify at public hearings. You've probably read about how busy we've been in the Government Affairs Weekly Report. Now, this ongoing work is important, and so is voting. The mayors and city council members we elect are the ones coming up with policies that can help or even hurt homeownership. Now, rather than waiting until after they're elected to find out where these politicians stand on homeownership issues, the Bay East Local Candidate Recommendation Committee meets with candidates before they are elected. Those candidates who support homeownership and show they will work to understand our position on housing, land use, municipal finance, and other issues may earn the endorsement of the Bay East Association of Realtors. This is one way we make the realtor voice heard at City Hall. And when you vote for a Bay East endorsed candidates, you're making the realtor voice loud and clear. Now, there's more than just mayor and city council candidates on the ballot. There are lots of issues, like new or higher taxes, to be voted on. Bay East is watching those issues too, and we're taking positions, either for or against, on many of them. To learn more about our candidate and issue endorsements, check out the Bay East Voter Guide. You can find it by visiting www.bayeast.org/voter guide. You need to be a Bay East member and log in to view the guide. Our voter guide is a member benefit that helps you make sense of all those decisions you have to make when you vote. After you vote, please stay engaged. The issues that impact your business and your clients, and even the future of housing and homeownership, don't just happen during election years. Every week, local planning commissions and city councils and even city staff are making decisions that can change the way you do business, or how your clients experience homeownership, or the home buying and selling process. Please respond to calls for action from the National Association of Realtors, those red alerts from the California Association of Realtors, and show up when we need you at a local city council meeting. And don't forget to vote.